Movistar Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Movistar plans and products are in the description. Movistar is one of the largest mobile operators in Spain and Latin America, offering a range of prepaid and postpaid plans with nationwide and international coverage. It's designed for users who need reliable connectivity, strong network infrastructure, and additional digital services like Movistar Cloud, TV, and cybersecurity features. The network supports 4G and 5G, delivering solid speeds, even in rural areas, though performance can vary by location. Movistar also offers eSIM support, making it convenient for travelers or users switching devices. Pricing is competitive, but not the cheapest, with premium postpaid plans offering better speeds and priority support. Customer service can be hit or miss, depending on the country, with some users reporting slow response times. For roaming, Movistar has reasonable international add-ons, but standard rates outside the EU can be expensive. The mobile app allows easy plan management, data usage tracking, and bill payments, though some users find it slow or buggy. Overall, Movistar is best for those who want stable connectivity, additional digital services, and good international coverage. If you're looking for the absolute cheapest option, there are budget alternatives, but Movistar remains a strong choice for quality service and coverage.